Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn how to install and configure FTP service. So from the server manager I will add the roles. Next. So here I want to mention that FTP by default is not available in the phaser. First you have to add web service or IIS, then you will get the phaser. So I'll select FTP service and FTP extension and next. So installation is started and it will take some time. So finally installation complete. Now I will open the IIS service. Here I will add new FTP site. FTP site name, and physical path of FTP server. Server IP address and port. By default FTP used port 21. And here is the selection of SSL or no SSL. So I will recommend no SSL. If you use SSL, then you have to install SSL certificate in your server. So if I use SSL, then I have to use SSL certificate. I'm installing that SSL certificate. SSL password. SSL certificate installed. So it's still not available. I have to restart the service. Now it's available. So I select no SSL and anonymous user, and I'll select users If you don't specify any user, anonymous user can connect. I'll create a user for FTP read-write permission. I'll restart the service. I'll create the FTP user. Same as I have mentioned in the FTP. Password complexity, so I have to give a complex password. User created. I will give the permission for this user. So my user is created. Now I allow in firewall FTP service. Otherwise, if I don't allow this, user can connect this FTP location. If you stop the firewall service, then it's not required. But if you want the firewall service, then it's required to allow this service. Just copy this file in the FTP folder so the user can access this file. So this is my client machine. I will try to open the FTP location through Internet Explorer. I will give the server IP address FTP clone / IP address. Now it's asking for username or password. I will give the username that I have mentioned and password for this user. So this is the file that I have copied in the FTP location, and user can access this file, can download this file and copy this file as well. Here I can add FTP path to my laptop or any other server as a shortcut. So it's asking the username password. So FTP shortcut is created here. So I'll show you now connect through third-party tools like FileZilla. Sometimes you may face problem while connecting from FileZilla or any other third-party tools due to authorization issue. To resolve this issue, you have to authorize the user. It's the problem you may face while connecting FileZilla. Now I have to authorize the user administrator to connect through FileZilla, because currently FTP user is able to connect. I'll open the server. So in the authorization, I'll assign administrator. So here FTP user is only permitted. Now I will allow administrator to connect through FileZilla or any other tools. I'll give a read-write permission for this user. And just restart the service. Two user is currently permitted, administrator and FTP user. So now I'll try to connect through FileZilla. So finally it's connected, and now we'll transfer file through FileZilla. If I remove this, administrator will unable to connect. So that's all for FTP server. Hopefully you can do it. Thanks for watching.